Kids, look! This is a tractor and its wheel is missing. Let's all find the right wheel together. Look, here are 4 wheels. Let's see which one is the correct one. First, let's try this red wheel to see if it fits. Oh no! This is the wrong wheel. Now, let's try the green wheel to see if it's the right one. Oh no! This is also the wrong wheel. Now let's try the yellow wheel and see if it works. Oh no! This one is also wrong. Okay, now let's try this black colored wheel. But friends, if you also love watching magic videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel and leave a lovely comment. If you like watching such fun videos, write yes in the comments. Wow, friends! This wheel turned out to be the right one. Look, the tractor is fixed.